Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm R. Sriram with an update on US weather. Heavy rain damaging winds target US northeast. Meteorologists warn that a powerful combination of extreme heat, high humidity and an approaching cold front is creating the perfect conditions for severe thunderstorms. The strongest storms are expected to develop during the afternoon and evening hours, just as many Independence Day celebrations and fireworks shows are scheduled to begin. The greatest risk stretches from Washington, D.C. through Maryland, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York and into parts of New England. Forecasters say some of these areas face an enhanced level 3 out of 5 severe weather risk, with storms capable of producing damaging wind gusts exceeding 70 miles per hour, frequent lightning, torrential rainfall and isolated large hail. Localized flash flooding is also possible where heavy rain falls in a short period of time. The storm threat comes after several days of record-breaking heat across the eastern United States. The intense heat dome that pushed temperatures above 100 degrees Fahrenheit has added enormous amounts of moisture and energy to the atmosphere, increasing the potential for explosive thunderstorm development. While the storms may briefly cool temperatures, they could quickly become dangerous and disruptive. Holiday celebrations are expected to be affected in many communities. Event organizers are also monitoring radar and lightning forecasts, with some fireworks displays already delayed, rescheduled or cancelled due to safety concerns. Officials are urging anyone attending outdoor events to have a shelter plan and to move indoors immediately if thunder is heard or lightning is spotted nearby. Travel could also become difficult during the busy holiday weekend. Heavy rain may reduce visibility on highways, while strong wind gusts could bring down trees and power lines, leading to scattered power outages and delays at airports across the Northeast. Emergency management agencies are advising drivers to avoid flooded roads and to monitor weather warnings before heading out. Weather experts say the severe weather threat will gradually shift eastward overnight as the cold front continues moving across the region. Behind the front, cooler and less humid air is expected to arrive, bringing some welcome relief after one of the hottest Independence Day periods in recent years. However, officials caution that flooding may continue even after the storms move away, especially in low-lying and urban areas. Residents are encouraged to keep mobile weather alerts enabled, follow instructions from local emergency officials and never underestimate the dangers of lightning, flash flooding or damaging straight-line winds. That's all for now. If you found this report informative, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more weather news and breaking updates from around the world. Thanks for watching and stay safe.